Grab some ramen. It's time to make some pepperoni puffs. I'm gonna break this ramen up into 4 pieces and cook it according to directions, including the seasoning packet. In a bowl, I need to crack 2 eggs. Whisk it. I'm gonna add about a cup of mozzarella cheese, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a little shake of red pepper flakes. Stir that together. I'm gonna add my drained ramen. Mix that together. Spoon them into muffin cups. A spoonful of pizza sauce on top. A sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. And a slice of pepperoni. I'm gonna bake them in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes or until brown. I'm just gonna let them cool on a wire rack for about 10 minutes. Pepperoni puffs. Sounds fun. Tastes great. What kind of exercises do lazy people do? Diddly squats.